live in Arizona, or if you live in the Southwest, and you've never been to 7,000 feet, you need to do it. I mean, I'm from Alaska. It makes me feel like I'm back home.
We find ourselves just having like these moments. It's gonna sound so stupid and geek. This place is magical. I'm not kidding. It doesn't look real. It's in Arizona. Why? Like, it just is. We are at the Inner Basin Trail in Flagstaff. It's a wonderful walk through Aspen. I've been here once before, but we have a new traveler. Say hi, Abby.
Hello.
So my face is white because I put on this crazy ass sunscreen like I'm a lifeguard. So I'm a geisha. So if you guys have any questions about geisha life along a mountainous trail, just hit that subscribe button in the link below. You gotta watch your feet too. There's a lot of roots and rocks popping up. I've already tripped. Abby the magnificent traveling gypsy is already tripped.
You guys, you walk so fast.
Because we got long legs.
Okay. Yeah, she has longer legs than I do.
I mean, I wasn't gonna say anything.
What was that? Let's see yours, Mark.
That's how Mark bangs out his knee. And we cannot do any more.
Okay, yeah. He's so feeling by looking at it. Oh!
Dude, this chair is super cool. It's like a built-in Mother Nature's chair.
I'll sit in it.
But I do need.
Don't do that stuff.
That's my ability to scare you.
Mark wants to start pranking each other, and I think that's a risky idea.
For sure.
I was telling about how me and my brother used to prank each other in high school. And he's like, "Oh, we should prank each other." Well,
ants are savages.
yeah,
There's some of the fire ants.
Are you sure?
I watched it. They have
I thought you said they were only in
guarantee a lot of
Maricopa.
things.
Maricopa, Arizona is what they said.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean every ant in Maricopa is a Maricopa fire ant.
No,
they
but
are red, and I
No, but
associate
there's
red
certain
with fire.
ones that have all red, and I think the Maricopa ones are all red. So those have a black abdomen, so I don't think they are. This place is ridiculous. It feels like, I don't even know. Like, I feel like I'm in a different country, dude.
You feel like you're in Narnia.
Yeah, like you're in a freaking Halo map.
We just walked through this entire Aspen forest, right? And it's all one organism. These trees are all connected underground. They have root systems, and they just propagate, and they grow super straight, and they all have these knots in them that look like an eye. It's like Mother Nature's just watching you as you're walking through her house.
They're like branches.
Dude, it's
They're branches
crazy.
of a tree that's underground. Here's a downed one. You almost wonder, like, what happened here? Was it lightning? Like, look at that tree. Look at this tree, guys.
That is incredible.
It looks like this tree got struck by lightning.
That was a lot harder than we thought it was gonna be.
I'm glad it was you and not me.
I'm still way up here, and there's not really a good way down. It was super slippery coming up. Like, every rock I stepped on went way down the hill. I'm gonna be able to find my way down. Mark's got a plan. He's calling it out. I feel like I'm in good hands. He said, follow the floss. Follow the floss. Here he is. Let me see him. There he is. Little Mark doing the floss. Aggressively far away. And it's super steep. And there could be bears out here. Or snakes. It's okay. Please no snakes. Please no snakes. There's giant beetles out here. And spiders. And snakes. And ah! There's the falling rocks I was talking to you about. It's not that...
Paul, just know that this rock will keep you from falling first.
Alright, we're good. We're safe. We're safe unless we break the camera. We're good.
You did it. 30 minutes later. I had flashbacks of you jumping off that cliff.
I probably have so much poison.
And it is starting to rain a little bit, so we're gonna head back down just because we didn't really bring a lot of stuff.
We interrupt this regularly scheduled program for a gold panning announcement.
You start digging down and you're like, oh, there's rock back here. So you get all that small crap out of the way. You start figuring out like where these bigger rocks are, because what happens is gold will literally get wedged into river rock like this, and it gets trapped. That's how it happens.
So Mark thinks it's still 1849.
49ers.
And that you can just find gold all over Arizona.
Yeah. Dude, think about how much untapped stuff has happened. How much untapped water. Like, this wasn't a thing
I love getting them
before.
going.
Like, this place wasn't a thing in the 49ers.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean that there's just gold laying around.
Days, dude. Like,
Abby, what's your take? Hot take.
Like, people didn't know about this, bro.
Do you think that there's gold just laying out here, Abby?
You know, anything's possible.
No.
But I can guarantee you this. There's gold in the earth. It's usually following quartz lines, and it usually follows water because it's taken down from somewhere. So it comes from the mountain. It travels down water streams or creek beds, which is why it gets washed after winter. There's more erosion, there's more things that are brought to the surface, which is why I don't care if it was in 49. There's been a lot of winters since then. There's probably a certain amount we can put right here.
Nice.
Check out these campers too. These campers are legit.
Like, it makes you, if you don't camp, it makes you be like, I could be a
I kind of want to camp. Like, these guys have like a net.
No
like a mesh.
way, dude.
These guys got it figured out.
Room.
Yeah.
They're playing cards.
They got it figured out.
Oh no. Dude, we gotta get some tips.
Yeah, we gotta.
The disorienting beauty of the Aspen forest leaves many lost for words. Luckily for me, there's an old Navajo poem that is posted on the Trailhead bulletin board. It perfectly captures the emotion of the experience. Today I will walk out. Useless burden will leave me. I will be as I was before. A cool breeze will wash me. I will have a light body. I will be happy. I will walk with beauty before me. I will walk with beauty behind me. I will walk with beauty below me. I will walk with beauty above me. I will walk with beauty around me.